Hey guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope all are good with their families. Today I am going to talk about the new topic conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins two words, sentences, clauses, phrases. So, कंजक्शंस का काम ये होता है कि दो शब्दों को, दो वाक्यों को, फ्रेजेस को, क्लॉजेस को हम लोग जोड़ने का इस्तेमाल करते हैं कंजक्शंस का. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंजक्शंस आर and, but, or. Three most important conjunctions which are always used. For example, Ramesh and Mahesh are going to the market. And is used to join Ramesh and Mahesh. Second, I drink tea or coffee. Two things are given, but I choose only one, then we use or. Third, I eat toffee, but it is harmful for our teeth. But is used to give a reason. So, in this sentence, we talk about the toffee which is harmful for our teeth. Now, tell about the types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunction. Number one is your coordinating conjunction. Second, subordinate conjunctions. And the third one is your correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions. It is a word that can be used to coordinate, join the words or group of words. Coordinate conjunctions वो conjunction होता है जो कि words और groups of words, sentences, clauses, phrases इन सब को join करने का काम coordinating conjunctions का होता है. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. In short form, we tell fan boys. Now, so the examples of coordinating conjunctions. For, we listened eagerly, for he brought news of our family. Second, and she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. Nor, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. Or, I will go shopping or I will camping. Yet, Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. So, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. These are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Now, your next topic is subordinate conjunctions. It is a conjunction which is used to complete the meaning of dependent clause by the help of independent clause. ये ऐसा कंजक्शन है जो कि डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को जोड़ने का काम करता है और उसमें जोड़ने में मदद करते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. नाउ फर्स्ट यू नो अबाउट द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज इज अ क्लॉज विच हैव कंप्लीट मीनिंग. इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज वो क्लॉज होता है, वो ऐसा सेंटेंस होता है जिसका एक मीनिंगफुल सेंस हो, कंप्लीट सेंस हो. एंड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज आर जस्ट अपोजिट टू द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. इसका कोई मीनिंगफुल सेंस नहीं होता है. दैट्स वाई इट हेल्प एंड independent clause and join with the help of subordinating conjunctions. Now your examples are subordinating conjunctions because, although, after, before, wherever, however, all these are subordinating conjunctions. Relative pronoun who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. These are subordinating conjunctions which are used in relative pronouns. Reasons: because, since, so that, in order, as. These are subordinating conjunctions which are used to show the reasons. Conditions: if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that. It tells about the conditions and use these subordinating conjunctions. Place: where and wherever. It tells about the place and use these subordinating conjunctions. Relative adjectives: that, whatever, which, whichever. These are used in relative adjectives. Manner: how, as though, as if. These are subordinating conjunctions which tells about the manner. Now your next topic is correlative conjunctions. It is a pair of conjunction which is used in a clause or sentence. कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस जो कि पेयर ऑफ कंजक्शंस होते हैं, उसमें दो दो कंजक्शंस इस्तेमाल होते हैं एक ही सेंटेंस में. दीज आर कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, आइदर और, नाइदर नॉर, बोथ एंड, स्कार्सली वेन, सो दैट. These are correlative conjunctions. These are the pair of conjunctions. Not only but also and, both and. These are used where we talk about the two things and we choose both. Either or, neither nor. Either or is choose two things and one things. Neither nor जब हमें दो चीज़ों में से दोनों का दोनों चूज़ नहीं करना है बल्कि तीसरा करना है, देन वी यूज़ नाइदर नॉर. और आइदर और का वो काम होता है जब दो चीज़ों में से हम लोग एक का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, एक चूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बोथ एंड. द कंपनी डील्स इन बोथ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर. आइदर और, आई विल ईट आइदर कैरेट्स और पीस फॉर डिनर. नाइदर नॉर, naturally likes neither milk nor cream cake. Whether or, do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Not only but also. He not only studies hard but also works well, such that it's such a teeny kitchen that I don't have too much to keep it clean. Scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So, your conjunction topic is over. Thanks for joining the class. Be safe at home. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like and share also. Thank you.